Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Has your Canon Pixma MG3620 decided to stop printing and now it's yelling paper jam at you? Even worse, you can't see any paper stuck anywhere. In this video, I'll show you where the paper hides, what to open, and how to clear jam safely in just a few minutes. Ensure your printer is turned on, and then open the paper output cover. Take a good look inside and gently pull out any jammed paper you see. After that, close the paper output cover and also remove any paper sitting in the front tray. Now, go ahead and close the front cover completely. Next, move around to the back of the printer. On the right side of the transport unit, you'll see a latch. Just push it to the left to unlock it. Carefully lift up the printer and look inside for any paper that might still be stuck. If you find any, gently pull it out, and once everything looks clear, close the transport unit. Alright, now open the paper output cover one more time. Turn off your printer. Wait for a second and then turn your printer back on. At last, take one last look inside the front area of the printer to see if any small paper pieces come out.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.